good shot. Keep him right there. Awesome. All right. All right, guys. Creek team's at it again. Me and Bosick are on the way down to Clear Creek today, trying a different creek. We're trying to spread it up a little bit for you guys, because I know a lot of people's been asking about my creeks around my house, you know, maybe not having smallmouth or maybe not have as good as fishing. So we're going to start trying to hit some of these different creeks. And Jethro, I just want to show you something real quick. You can't do nothing with him. You can't do, there's nothing you can do about it. We've ragged him so much over the years, just no point in doing it no more. But anyway, guys, we're gonna get down here to this creek just to show you guys a little bit different creeks in Ohio. And we got, through the summer, we're probably gonna be hitting a bunch of different ones. So, see you guys down at the creek here. Boss has got his second one. Take it away, boss.
First cast in the new hole. About the same size as the last one. He was jumping, but we had to get the camera out.
There he is.
Get close up to the
Yeah. They're in here, boys.
So
good fish.
He might have been a little bit smaller than the last one. Still a fun fight. Still got some weight to him.
Once again, guys, a new creek. Trying it out. They're here. Swirl around here and get you. All right, let's get him in the water. Second fish, guys.
Good to go.
Cool deal.
Fun stuff, man. Gotta get out there.
Boss cooked into a pretty good one here, guys. Let me scoot over here.
Yeah, he's a nice one here. Get him in. We don't have a net, so I'm not in no big hurry. Try to get him up on the bank. Shot with it.
Nice one, Bostic. That is a good one. Let me show you guys this real quick, boss. Hold on to me real quick. Right there. See where this current comes down? Right back in that eddy. That's where he got him. That's a pretty good little fish. That's the best fish today.
Yeah, but there's a lot more time and a lot more water to cover. Pliers.
Good fish. Good fish. Let's get him in this. Try to let him loose in this shallow. Try to get him. Hold on, wait for some of that mud to go away. Put him back over here.
Oh,
there he went. So that's 4 today, guys. And the day is young. It's not even 10 o'clock yet. Well, it might be 10 now, but we're getting them. It's starting to heat up a little bit. So we'll see you guys in a minute. Right?
ready?
Now at the new spot, we got fish number 1.
2.
Oh, 2. Boston hooked a largemouth.
See if we'll get him try to come up out of the water again. Still got some fight in him. Got him pull. Show him how he pulls the pole.
Oh,
He's tired.
Boston warm out.
Come on, get that camera wet.
Nice fish. As always down here. Boss has got another one. Pretty nice one, I think.
Get him up here to show you guys. He's fighting like one. Got some fight in him.
He looks like a nice one.
Come on now. He's a nice one.
Oh yeah, he's a nice one. Real nice one.
Now we're gonna try to get him.
You need me to take the pole?
No. Hold on. I'm gonna wear him down. Let him tuck himself out.
Oh, we need to get that one in, Boston.
If you guys don't have a net, the best thing to do is to take the fish and take them on the bank.
That's a nice fish, Boston. Dang, that is a nice fish. Hold that, that is the biggest creek fish we've caught yet, I believe. Hold him up. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. That's a nice smallie. Good fish.
Good fight.
Real good fish. Look at him. Look at that. Awesome. All right.
I'm telling you, man, these creeks, it ain't just this creek, it's every creek.
Got them in them. You just gotta fish them out. Let's get him down here.
You guys ready for this? He's worn out.
Good fish. Number 2 for ball, 3 for ball stick, 0 for me. I might have to be switching colors.
All right, guys. What the hell's going on here? My bell was flipped anyway. Oh, good one.
This is my, what, second fish of the day?
Yeah.
It's been a long day for me, guys. It really has, man. But, you know, you just gotta stick with it. You know, it's what Boss has been having a heck of a day. As you can tell, I'm sitting down, boys. I ain't. But he ain't a bad little fish. My second one of the day. Go ahead and stop your
Yeah.
So there he is. Not the biggest thing. Definitely not the biggest thing. Probably one of the smallest ones to date. But, you know, today was a slow day in creek fishing. We should have came here first, but we was wanting to try out that new creek fishing to get to you guys. And we caught some fish in there. So, I mean, just keep after it, guys. And we'll see you guys on down the road. Well, we moved up one hole, guys. We got one here. I'm trying to get him over here. Can you see him?
I'm trying to find him. There he is. Oh, yeah.
We got him right here, guys.
Good shot. Keep him right there. Awesome.
All right. I don't know if you guys could tell, but it's been kind of a slow day on fishing here. We're about to wrap it up here, and I think we're going to go back to our honey hole. I hope that was on the camera. You all right? Doesn't ain't too deep there, is it? Anyway, we're getting ready to wrap it up here. We caught 6. Could have caught more. But we're going to probably wrap it up here and head down to Todd's Creek and back to our stomping grounds. But anyway, guys, don't let this discourage you guys. Get out and try your creeks because, I mean, like I said, we landed 6. Could have landed more. Got plenty of bites and stuff. It just, this is a slow going creek here. Today, anyway. Bosick fished it fall, and he said that they tore him up in the fall, so it might be different in the weather, different situation, but we're probably going to get ready to wrap it up here and head down. So we'll see you guys down there. Did that hurt?